Hello. Are you new to mainstream cryptos or have you been with us for a while? You know what? It doesn't even matter because we are happy to have you with us as we take a look at the most groundbreaking news in crypto for this week. In case you don't know, we do this every week, so if you want to tune in for more sessions like this, you can just subscribe and turn on your notifications and you'll be joining us. My name is Abby. Every week, as we take a look at what is breaking in crypto, let's jump right into this week's news. Alrighty, number one. Okay, let's take a look at what Cardano has been doing. It has surpassed Ethereum. Whoop whoop. According to GitHub data, Cardano is in the lead in terms of daily development activity. It is outperforming blockchains like Ethereum, which is in fifth position, and Internet Computer, ICP, which is in second place. On the 14th of February, Cardano's SECP upgrade, or Valentine upgrade, launched successfully. Well, good for Cardano. Well, that was short and sweet. Let's look at our second piece of news for today. The Polygon co-founder says that Solana and Aptos can't beat Ethereum. I feel like now would be appropriate time to employ the old saying, never say never, but I'm going to keep my mouth shut. Ethereum scaling network Polygon's co-founder, Sandeep Nilwal, predicted that Ethereum would be the only standard smart contract protocol that overtakes all other layer 1 competitors, such as Solana, Aptos, Cardano, and Avalanche. In a recent interview with Crypto Banter, a YouTube channel, Nilwal said, I don't think there's going to be a multi-layer 2 environment. There will be a layer 1 environment. There will be a single layer 1, which is Ethereum in my mind. So, Ether kids, don't be too sad about the last piece of news. Mr. Nailwell says you're on the winning team. Number 3. The Asian crypto giant Hashkey Group is now licensed to start OTC trading in Hong Kong. According to a press release from the Hashkey Group, this major company that provides financial services for crypto assets has obtained a license to commence business in the over-the-counter OTC trading sphere in Hong Kong. The permission was obtained from the local Securities and Futures Commission for the subsidiary Hash Blockchain Limited. Now, the Asian digital assets behemoth will be able to trade cryptos that are not listed on regular crypto exchanges by allowing 2 independent parties to conduct trades. The job of the company will be to create a safe trading environment. Fourth piece of news coming right up. The key reason why Bitcoin just dropped to 23,000 US dollars. Bitcoin took a tumble on Friday, plummeting to an intraday low of 23,000. Data from CoinMarketCap revealed that the leading cryptocurrency suffered a loss of 3.3% in the past 24 hours. The drop in Bitcoin's value followed the downward trend of US stocks as the Dow Jones Industrial Average plunged by 390 points, or 1.2%, while the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq Composite slid by 1.6 and 2.0% respectively. This week has been a losing one for the major averages, leaving investors feeling uneasy. The sharp decline was triggered by the release of data showing that the core monthly personal consumption expenditure rose 0.6% from December to January, surpassing the 0.3 forecast and adding fuel to the already heated battle against inflation. Number 5. Also about Bitcoin, the Bitcoin Lightning-enabled wallet Blue Wallet plans to shut down Bitcoin node landhub.io. The Lightning Network is a Layer 2 protocol layered on the Bitcoin protocol, used to process micropayments among participating nodes to facilitate faster transactions. Blue Wallet is one of the most popular Bitcoin Lightning-enabled wallets on the market. According to a blog post, Blue Wallet disclosed that although users can still withdraw their sats, creating new or refilling existing wallets on the Landhub node would be impossible. They must move their funds before the service is completely shut down on the 30th of April 2023. Everybody panic! The wallet provider disclosed that it started Landhub as a weekend experiment on the Lightning Network. However, due to the emergence of numerous services offering more scalable solutions, Blue Wallet has decided to end the experiment because it has fulfilled its purpose. Blue Wallet also noted that self-hosted Landhub solutions would continue running and receiving the wallet's support for interested individuals and entities. Such persons could connect their own LandHub from Blue Wallet or other programs that support the LandHub API specification. It is worth noting that regulator Bitcoin wallets remain unaffected by the change. News item number 6. The CEO of Circle believes that stablecoins should not be regulated by the SEC. Following the most recent crackdown by the US Securities and Exchange Commission against several crypto companies, Jeremy Allaire opinion that the agency is not the best fit to oversee stablecoins in particular. He believes these assets are part of the banking sector, thus they need to be regulated by another watchdog in the States. The past several weeks saw the US securities regulator going after several locally based crypto firms, starting with Kraken and its staking services. The exchange had to settle with the watchdog, paying a $30 million penalty and halt its staking platform. I quote, "I don't think the SEC is the regulator for stablecoins. There is a reason why everywhere in the world, including the US, the government is specifically saying payment stablecoins are a payment system and banking regulator activity." I must say that he has a very good point there with regard to the inclusion of stablecoin in the banking industry. And I like what he says, that the agency is not the best fit to oversee stablecoins in particular. There are some who would say the agency, that is the SEC, is not the best fit to oversee anything in the crypto world at all, but we're not going there. We are moving on to our 7th piece of news. The Republican Congressman Tom Emmer introduces a bill to ban the Fed's CBDC. On the 22nd of February, the Republican Congressman Tom Emmer of the U.S. House of Representatives introduced a bill to ban the Federal Reserve from issuing a central bank digital currency. The CBDC Anti-Surveillance State Act aims to protect the financial privacy of American citizens by prohibiting the creation of a CBDC by the Fed without prior review and approval from Congress. Emmer argued that creating a CBDC could negatively impact financial privacy and individual freedom, as authorities and regulatory entities could use it as a tool to track and control citizens' spending. The creation of a CBDC could have a significant impact on financial privacy. Since CBDC transactions would be recorded on a blockchain, authorities could track and trace financial transactions in real time. This has raised concerns about data privacy and surveillance, and the potential for government intrusion into financial affairs. Yeah, that would not be good. Number 8. Coinbase beats their fourth quarter earnings estimates amid falling transaction volume. Transaction volume on the exchange fell 12% in 2022's fourth quarter, but the firm still beat forecast earnings despite a 57% year-on-year revenue drop. The United States-based cryptocurrency exchange Coinbase has beaten its revenue expectations for the fourth quarter of 2022, but it continues to see its transaction volume decline. Transaction volumes decreased 12% compared to the prior quarter. However, Coinbase pointed to a 34% increase in subscription and service revenues as the reason for its 5% total revenue growth for the quarter. Let's take a look at number 9. Spotify runs a pilot for token-enabled playlists with Neft partners. The Swedish music streaming giant confirmed the development in a tweet reply. Spotify is testing a new service, token-enabled playlists, with one of its partners to enable non-fungible token holders to connect their wallets and access curated music. It is currently in the pilot phase. The new service was designed in partnership with the Web3 gaming ecosystem Overlord and involves a token-enabled community-curated playlist that can be accessed via Web3 wallets of those who hold the Creeps Nefts on Spotify. According to the official announcement, the service will be available to only Android users from the United States, United Kingdom, Germany, Australia, and New Zealand. Excuse me for saying so, but while this development does reflect the march of society toward digitalization and things like NFTs and crypto, this strikes me as an out-and-out money-making scheme. Unless they actually tell me what the specific benefits of this token-enabled playlist are, I'm not going to buy in. Number 10. Germany's second-largest bank plans to offer crypto custody services to institutionals. The DZ Bank, the second largest German bank by assets, is all set to offer digital asset custody services. According to the official press release, Harmonize is designed to offer a versatile governance framework and has customizable risk and compliance controls with full segregation of multiple business units and clients, guaranteeing isolation of policies, users, accounts, and assets. Christopite added that the platform was selected by DZ Bank through an extensive proof of concept and diligence process, and that it has proven to be a powerful solution for the lender. For the uninitiated, that means if you don't know what's going on here, the DZ Bank happens to be one of Germany's largest custodians with 297 billion euros in assets under custody at the end of last year. On to number 11. Solana Spaces founder announces the closure of retail stores. The two Solana shops will be shut down since they were unable to attract as many customers as expected. The company announced the closures through Twitter on 21st of February and included a message from the founder Vibhu Norby. Norby had launched Solana Spaces in the first half of 2022. He said that the business had hit an inflection point with the retail outlets, causing a reallocation of resources to DRIP, a new platform for disseminating works of the non-fungible token artwork. Number 12. Maison Hennessy announces the launch of Web3 platform Hensy, or H3NSY. Following the exciting Maison Hennessy Web3 projects last year, including its first NEF-connected bottle and launch of Cafe 11 Social Club in partnership with Friends with Benefits DAO. Hennessy introduces Hensy with a new brand mark, website, and Twitter handle dedicated to the brand's Web3 ventures and innovative practices. The Hensy ecosystem, which features a new brand mark, website, and Twitter handle, reinforces the brand's commitment to Web3 projects, collaborations, and innovations. Well, enjoy your drinks, ladies and gentlemen. Number 13, and this is a very interesting one. Satoshi Nakamoto's last unfinished project inspires this new online marketplace disruptor in the crypto space. A fork of Bitcoin, known as Particle, has announced the completion of an eBay-style marketplace that's been integrated into its wallet. Built using blockchain smart contracts, the marketplace is derived from an original concept first proposed by Satoshi Nakamoto. Particle's latest release forms a trustless, unstoppable marketplace where buyers and sellers can trade goods without the risk of getting scammed. It features zero fees and encrypted chat messages between buyers and sellers, alongside ring signatures and blinding to provide greater transactional privacy than Monero. Bitcoin's creator, that is Satoshi, vanished in 2011 after being invited to meet the CIA. His last email stated, "I've moved on to other things." Before he disappeared, Satoshi was working on a marketplace built into Bitcoin. Now, a working version of this technology has been quietly released by an anonymous team of developers. Second last piece of news for the week, number 14. Bitcoin market cap flips payments giant Visa for the third time. While the collapse of FTX shaved $100 billion off of Bitcoin's market cap in just 4 days last year, Bitcoin has managed to fully recover and stack on another $65 billion. A 48% Bitcoin price surge since the start of the year has pushed Bitcoin's market cap past that of payment processing giant Visa once again. With the price currently at $24,365, its market cap of $470.16 billion is now marginally above that of Visa, which has a market cap of $469.87 billion, according to CoinMarketCap. It should be worth noting that given the small difference in market cap between Bitcoin and Visa, the two are currently flipping each other by the hour. In other words, don't get too excited, y'all. And our very last interesting and fabulous piece of news for this week, number 15. PayPal co-leads $20 million seed funding for an on-chain risk optimizer, Chaos Labs. Chaos Labs protects crypto protocols against external exploits and risks with an automated risk management platform. Payments giant PayPal and investment management firm Galaxy joined hands to raise $20 million in seed funding for Chaos Labs, a New York-based cloud platform for securing blockchains and protocols. The seed funding is aimed at helping Chaos Labs further automate on-chain risk optimization. According to Chaos Labs founder and CEO Omar Goldberg, financial risk management must be upgraded to cater to the decentralized finance ecosystems. He added, "We believe that every DeFi protocol must regularly conduct robust risk testing to verify and validate that their economic system is secure against hackers and unanticipated volatility." The official website states that Chaos Labs' Risk Suite can help protect DeFi protocols through optimized risk and capital efficiency, streamlined risk assessments, and streamlined risk assessments. Listen carefully. Streamlined risk assessments and streamlined risk assessments are both very important, guys. Some people need to edit their blog posts. In any case, that is the news for this week. Thank you for tuning in once again, and don't forget to like this video if it was helpful. I'm assuming if you made it this far, it was helpful. I'll be seeing you next week.